I just want to show, this is my car, and you can probably see this is the hood, right, of the car. Okay, so I have two, I don't know if you can see it, I have coated my car with a coating, and this coating is Geon Pure, and I probably have messed it up because I got full of streaks on this thing, and this was a while ago, I don't remember how long, but you could probably see the smudgy black surface right over there. The entire hood was full of this before. Now you can see this part of the car, if you look into the right, I don't know if you can see it because there's so much reflections here, but if you look here you can see it darker, like you can see the coating right over here, which I've been removing because this was a total complete fail because it was smudgy all over the hood. And probably the reason to this might have been because I've been using a normal coating before. Angel was TI22, which worked excellent, no problem with that. Then I started using the Korean products, the ceramic products like CarPro Seekparts 3, which should be really awesome. But on top of this coating that might have been there before, I did polish the car after, like have do in the AngelWorks TI22, so it shouldn't be like a problem before, from what I understand. But we have this issue now, and it was all over the hood. So I just want to say to you, if you have this problem, I'm using this one from Biltema in Sweden. This is IPA, isopropanol solution. So I rubbed it off with that and a glove. And you can see the shiny surface right over here. I don't know if you can see it because it's hard to capture in camera. But this part over here is entirely fine, while half of the hood right over here is darker and have this very smudgy look. I don't know if it captures it on the camera, but I know it captures. You can see there, right? So it was all the smudges with all the hood before, but now I use the IPA solution and rubbed it off with towels really hard, like I had to press really hard to rub it off. So I just want to say, if you people ever have this problem with your coating on your car, I don't know if this is the best solution, but usually when there's problems stuck in the hood, IPA solution is usually based upon some alcohol. In this case I think it's some fake stuff in there, so I don't think it's pure alcohol. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Doesn't matter. But I would suggest using IPA solution if you want to remove, if it's possible. At least for a Geon Pure product, it works, and I think it would work with most other projects if you're lucky. So instead of these smudgy, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really annoying. It is really bad. Like it's these freaking smudges all over the hood. I hate it very much, and for that reason, I would never recommend Geon products. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't really care because I do it for the professional way. I always degrease the car. I always do every single step the professional said to be doing, and still this fails. I don't know why it fails, but it freaking fails. And it never failed on the AngelWorks products. I don't know why it did. Maybe it's the first time I had it. If you have any solutions to it, please drop down the comments below. But I don't want this to happen to you guys, and therefore why I'm upping this video, because nobody should have this problem. So I'm just saying, alright, smudges on the hood, use IPA solution. That's just all. Alright, have a good day, guys. If you liked the video, thumbs up, goodbye, sayonara.